Imagine, if you will, a world of product procurement. Facing manufacturers no longer making the critical products you need, you have now entered a dimension of sight and sound known as the obsolescence zone.
Each year, original equipment manufacturers stop making key pieces necessary to operate a wide range of products and systems in a variety of industries. This is a big problem. But what if an experienced electrical manufacturer of custom systems could actually resource and manufacture those obsolete products like CTs, power measurement devices, current, voltage, and watt transducers? Well, that's exactly what Ohio Semitronics does. Over the last 20 years, Ohio Semitronics has remanufactured hundreds of devices abandoned by their OEMs from manufacturers like Lem, Honeywell, ABB, American Aerospace Controls, and Scientific Columbus. No one has delivered more successful custom power measurement devices than OSI. So if you can't find an answer internally, we invite you to talk to the OSI design team. We can provide accurate price estimates and can often deliver functioning prototypes in just 3 to 6 weeks. Don't redesign your system. Resource your obsolete product with OSI. Some of the products OSI has remanufactured are here: DC current transducers, DC voltage transducers, Hall effect DC current transducers, current transformers, closed loop Hall effect current sensors, AC current transducers, and watt-hour transducers. For more information or to discuss your product need, contact Ohio Semitronics.